Hello, my name is Dexter Carter, and today we're looking at part number 8-214-8 HDC. This is your 12K hydraulic hub rotor kit, complete with all the bearings, races, seals, swivel flange nuts, and the aluminum oil cap. Let's check it out. Alright, so this kit includes the 12K hydraulic disc brake rotor, which is right here. It includes the 12K hub and drum, 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern, 5/8 studs, 4.75 hub pilot, standard stuff. It includes the outer bearing, the 28682, and the inner bearing, the 3984. It also includes the 10-56 oil seal or grease. It includes the swivel flange nuts, the 5/8 swivel flange nuts, the 2-piece swivel flange nuts, real nice. And it includes the 4-inch heavy-duty aluminum oil cap right here with the fill port. No more of those plastic caps. We're just going to give you the best stuff. Aluminum oil caps right here. And it includes the mounting bolts and studs to mount the rotor onto the hub. So 8 of those. Part number 25-14 and the 6-46. So 8 studs and bolts. So everything you need right here for one hub to replace your rotor and hub on your 12K axles, Dexter axles, Carter axles, all interchangeable right here. Best price around. And you can get this at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.